This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Gorgeous custom-built, all-brick Charles Ross home on over 3 private wooded acres in the lovely Liberty Ridge community. Open floor plan with Southern traditional charm and over 4,000 square feet of immaculate living space. Fantastic kitchen and wet bar with upgraded GE Monogram appliance package. First floor primary suite boasts a spa-like bath and sizable closet with access to the patio in the rear. This fantastic floor plan is complete with a conditioned 3+ car garage, 2 additional large first-level bedrooms sharing a full bath, upstairs a 4th bedroom with ensuite bath, and a large media and game room with its own wet bar. Featuring a whole house 38 RCL generator, conditioned and encapsulated crawl space and over 1,132 square feet of unfinished potential living space in the upper level. Fantastic location, less than 10 minutes to Colonial Williamsburg, fine dining, shopping, entertainment and more. For more information, review the details below.